All right, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I lied. I am not waiting to change the plastics. I'm gonna change it now because I couldn't wait. We're continuing on from the muffler install. You know, I'm actually not sure if I could. I think I could just put the headers on because I'm not. Because I can put the O2 sensor back on, and I don't think there's anything much different than this to the header. I think it looks like the same diameter, and there's no cats here. The cats was on the exhaust on the muffler, so I wonder if I can just put the header on. But I guess I'll save the power mods for later. Okay, let's move on to plastics. So what we're gonna do today is plastics. So as you can see here, no more hiding it. That's the graphic design. So it's hard to picture it right now, but once it's on the bike, we're gonna get a good look at it. So this is from Scrubs, I think Scrub Design from UK, and these are original KTM plastics that they put their own graphics on. So it's a whole kit ready to go. You don't have to put your own. You don't have to do the work. You just have to install it. So here it is. Here's the original plastics, partly halfway done. So I'm gonna transfer the headlight and all that stuff. It should be straightforward. I don't think there's gonna be anything special. So let's go ahead and do that now. I also, like I said, I also have the bark busters in black, but the frame is still black. So I'm kind of gonna wait until the end when I have everything else put on and see how it looks like with the orange handguards, because it's orange and black. Orange frame, which is still gonna retain. We'll see how that looks. All right, let's get started. All right, so I don't know how fast this is gonna go. I'm just gonna put the GoPro on and then see what happens. Yeah, light's not pretty good. Let's see. All right. Fender underneath too. All right, guys, so I want to pause here for a second and talk about the kit. So the kit is OEM KTM. There's some issues with fitment on some parts. I'm not sure, I think that's just the molding of a plastic in general. It's not the fault of the seller. But there is a mishap here. So they did miss to include this attachment here. But it's not so bad because there are some orange accents on the bike. It's just that this is just in your face, but this is supposed to be black. So I contacted the seller, see if there's a way to send that over. But if not, it's not a big deal. I can always just find another one. And So far, I'm only doing one side. I'm just yeah. There's some. It's a hard fitment back here. Something about the plastic is very stiff or just not aligned very well. I know I checked many times that I put it properly here, but there's still some just struggle. There's a struggle in this portion here, so the tabs didn't line up properly. So it is what it is. It's still overall it looks awesome. So when I'm working on the rest of the bike, I'm not gonna be touching this area. I don't think I'll be touching this area. I might remove this part. So I guess I'll be touching it still because I gotta remove the exhaust to. So I gotta remove this to remove the exhaust, and then to install the Compan LCD screen. So it is what it is. I'll just be careful not to break anything. But so far the graphics is amazing. So definitely changed the bike. So it's gonna be stealthy. I might change the handguards after all. We'll see, because it looks like it is in your face. Yeah, orange. So I'll put the headlight on and we'll see how the whole thing looks. Alright guys, so let's wrap this video up. I pretty much completed everything, buttoned everything up, cleaned up here, throw all the trash away. So here it is. So here's what the bike looks like. This is what I've envisioned having this bike look like this. I'm not sure about the handguards being yellow like this. It's on the video it's bright orange, but in person it's like dark. So it's like it's not that bright. So it kind of goes together in person. So it's just hard to convey that on video. So yeah, the colors, yeah, as you can see there, it shifts a little bit. The color, the intensity is not. It's not bright yellow. I'm not bright orange. It's actually okay. So I'm debating. I have the handguards right there, the black one. I can fully stealth it out, but as you can see, we have the turn signals installed. We have the headlights. So it's all stealth mode activated right now. So as you can see, let's try it. I'm not gonna start it right now. You guys heard it already, but I'm gonna just turn on the lights, have everything. The sequential is amazing for cheap turn signals. They look pretty damn good. I think these were like $10. So on eBay. So license plate, light is working. I don't care about showing my plate. So arrow, just the muffler, really loud, as you heard earlier. Yeah, so I mean, that's just how it is. Yeah, so that's pretty much the bike. This is the transformation. On the next coming videos, it's gonna be performance mods. So I have the header right here, and we're gonna add that. And when the intake comes along, we'll do the SAS delete at the same time. I also put in the skid plate right here, as you can see. That's the OEM skid plate. So it does the job. You don't need anything more than that. It's not an enduro. So let's turn off the turn signals. All right, so I'm really happy. They should have come in the factory with like this color. So but anyway, more to come. There's gonna be a lot of more accessories coming, but for now this is it. And oh, what do you guys think about actually it's growing on me, this you know, I told you guys earlier that the seller forgot to include that on my package, but actually right now it kind of works together. So should I just leave it or should I just paint it? I can just get a Krylon plastic paint and I'll paint over that, but if it all looks good as is, I'll just keep it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this orange handguards. I mean, I'm either or with this. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again on the next video.